Ever pondered if it's possible to build a thriving business without any initial investment? The answer might astound you. It's a resounding yes. The journey, however, demands a unique approach and an abundance of resourcefulness. Let's demystify the power of existing resources, cast aside the vision of sprawling office spaces and massive inventory purchases. Instead, think small and smart. Are you a savant in graphic design or a master of compelling content? Put your skills to work. Offer your expertise on freelancing platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr. Your existing network is also a gold mine. Reach out, share your services, and let your passion shine through. Embrace the digital landscape. Free online tools for website creation, marketing automation, and project management are at your fingertips. Social media platforms can be your virtual storefront, enabling you to display your offerings and engage with potential customers. Next up, let's ignite some idea sparks with creative business models. Service-based businesses offer a playground for resourceful entrepreneurs. Whether it's dog walking, tutoring, virtual assistants, or social media management, the potential is vast. Got a specific, high-demand skill set? Offer your services as a freelancer. Alternatively, share your knowledge and passion via online courses, ebooks, or blogs, and monetize them through paid subscriptions, affiliate marketing, or online advertising. Dropshipping is another intriguing model. Sell products online without holding any inventory, partnering with a supplier who ships directly to your customers, while you take a cut of the profit. The secret ingredient in this mix: resourcefulness and hustle. Be prepared to don multiple hats, acquire new skills, and put in long hours. Network actively, forge robust relationships with your customers, and constantly seek ways to enhance your offerings. Always remember, creativity is your most valuable asset. Now let's get real. Building a successful business takes time and dedication. Don't chase overnight success. Instead, focus on delivering exceptional value to your customers and consistently exceeding their expectations. As your business grows, you'll have the opportunity to invest in tools and resources to expand your reach and offerings. In conclusion, while money can certainly ease the entrepreneurial journey, it's not the sole determinant of success. With a resourceful mindset, the right skill set, and a relentless work ethic, you can build your dream business, brick by metaphorical brick. Remember, the most successful ventures often start with a spark of creativity and a whole lot of hustle. The question isn't can you, it's will you?